In this video I tell you all you need to know about the stock market. I help you understanding how it works and much more. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. What is a stock market? Stock markets are several exchanges where shares of listed companies are traded. These financial activities are carried out on official stock exchanges and on over-the-counter markets, which operate according to established rules. The terms stock market and stock exchange are often used interchangeably. Stock market traders buy and sell stocks on one or more stock exchanges that are part of the overall stock market. In the United States, the leading stock exchanges are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ. Understanding the stock market. The stock market allows buyers and sellers of securities to meet, interact and trade. The market allows companies to price stocks and acts as a barometer for the economy as a whole. By allowing market participants to compete in an open market, buyers and sellers are guaranteed fair prices, a high degree of liquidity and transparency. The first U.S. stock exchange began operating in Philadelphia in 1790. 24 traders signed the agreement, making it the first securities trading organization in the United States. In 1817, the traders renamed their business the New York Stock Exchange, which was later renamed the New York Stock Exchange. The stock market is a regulated and controlled environment. In the U.S., the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, are the primary regulators. In the early stock markets, physical, paper stock certificates were issued and traded. Today, the stock market operates electronically. How the stock market works. Stock markets provide a safe and regulated environment in which market participants can confidently trade stocks and other financial instruments with zero or low operational risk. Stock markets operate under rules established by regulators as primary and secondary markets. As a primary market, the stock market allows companies to issue and sell shares to the general public for the first time through the initial public offering, IPO, process. This activity allows companies to raise needed funds from investors. Companies divide themselves into a number of shares, some of which are sold to the public at a price per share. To facilitate this process, companies need a marketplace where they can sell these shares, and the stock market makes this possible. To facilitate this process, companies need a market in which they can sell these shares, and the stock market makes this possible. Listed companies can also place additional new shares at a later stage, through other offerings such as a rights issue or a follow-on offering. Shares can also be repurchased or delisted. Investors hold a company's stock with the expectation that the stock price will rise, receive a dividend, or both. Stock exchanges facilitate this capital raising process and receive fees for their services from companies and their financial partners. Stock exchanges also allow investors to buy and sell securities they already own in a market known as the secondary market. Stock markets and exchanges support various market and industry indices, such as the Standard & Poor's, S&P 500 Index and the NASDAQ 100 Index, which provide insight into overall market movements. What are the functions of the stock market? The stock market provides price transparency, liquidity, price discovery and fair trading in trading activities. The stock market ensures that all interested parties have access to all buy and sell order data, thereby facilitating fair and transparent pricing of securities. The market also ensures that appropriate buy and sell orders are matched effectively. The stock market should support price discovery, where the price of any stock is determined collectively by its buyers and sellers. Those who are entitled and willing to trade should be able to place orders instantly, and the market should enforce those orders at fair prices. Bidders in the stock market include market makers, investors, traders, speculators, and hedgers. Investors can buy stocks and hold them for long periods of time, while traders can open and close positions in seconds. Market makers provide much-needed liquidity to the market, and hedgers can trade derivatives. How are stock markets regulated? Most countries have stock markets that are regulated by their respective national financial and monetary regulators or agencies. The SEC oversees the U.S. stock market. The SEC is a federal agency independent from government and free from political pressure, and its mission is to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly and efficient markets and promote capital formation. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Companies listed on stock market exchanges are subject to regulation and their transactions are monitored by the SEC. Exchanges also require timely filing of quarterly financial reports and immediate reporting of relevant corporate events so that all market participants are equally informed. Failure to comply with the rules may result in suspension of trading or other disciplinary action. What is the importance of the stock market? The stock market is one component of a free market economy. Companies raise capital by issuing stocks or bonds. Investors participate in the financial performance of companies, earn profits through capital appreciation and income through dividends. The stock market serves as a platform to efficiently channel individual savings and investments into productive investment opportunities, contributing to national capital formation and economic growth. What is an alternative trading system? Alternative trading systems are venues for negotiating large-scale buy and sell transactions that are not regulated like exchanges. Dark pools and many cryptocurrency exchanges are private exchanges or forums for trading securities and currencies and operate within private groups. Who helps investors trade in the stock market? Stockbrokers are intermediaries in buying and selling stocks between the exchange and investors, and portfolio managers are professionals who invest portfolios, collections of securities, for their clients. Investment bankers represent companies in various capacities, including private companies seeking IPOs and companies involved in pending mergers and acquisitions. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business: some work great, some flop and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you. give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way? If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.